In today's video, I'm going to show you the different ways to change the theme of your Shopify store. So if you find the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. Firstly, I want to let you know about this special offer for Shopify that will get you any Shopify plan you want for just €1 per month for the next 3 months. So you can choose any plan. So in my case, I have chosen the most expensive one, which normally it will be almost €400 per month. But with this special offer, it's just €1. So I will leave the link with this offer on the description below so you can take that advantage and use Shopify for very cheap. So once you have done that, all you need to do is go to online store, and right here you will find all the information about the themes. So this is the default theme that you probably have, and you can import a theme from a zip file by clicking right here and then upload a zip file. You can also visit the theme store if you want to browse for other themes. So there are some that cost money, but there are free ones as well. So just click right here on view all and select the free ones just in case you want to try a free theme. So you can see you can find a lot of different ones. You just need to click it and then try theme. So this will download the theme and apply it right here. You can also design a custom store with AI just by describing it right here and then clicking on generate themes. So that's it. Those are the different ways you can change your theme on your Shopify store. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.